रात के 12 बज रहे हैं and welcome to my party. It's a Saturday night. यहाँ दिख रहा है कि यहाँ पे एक party चल रही है. What happened earlier today was I walked into a grocery store. मैं grocery store में गई and I picked out like a lot of things from my boarding school, like everything that I used to eat. एक jar होता था, उसमें सारा junk food भरा होता था and we had sisters because it was a convent school. तो वो sisters ना उसमें से निकाल के हमें बस एक bunch देती थी एक दिन के लिए and we were allowed to eat junk only on Saturdays and Sundays. हम ये अपने cupboards में नहीं छुपा के रख सकते थे. That was not allowed. But we somehow we managed to do it. I have already started eating one of them. This is Munch. Nestle was ruling the canteen of our boarding school.
Candy Kingdom!
I wonder इसका प्राइसिंग क्या है अब, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे we were probably at like 5 rupees, 10 rupees. 10 was the max. I loved it. Other thing that was very popular at my school was peanut butter and Nutella.
Mr. Peanut Butter?
यहाँ पे ना ये वाला जो stamp है, यहाँ पे we would put like our names. We would write our names with markers or have some stickers and everything. Oh, I love peanut butter. Look at that. मैं अपनी finger में. There are times that we might have like dipped into other people's peanut butters just like this and like.
What?
It tastes the same. The next thing that I have are these toffees and these are from Foxes. We used to have like boxes, but this is more in a smaller packaging. It retails for like 55 rupees and it was not that expensive back then. Okay, let's open it. The shape also in this one is different. जो box में आती थी, that was very rectangular, while this one is more circular and like an oval shape, and this seems to be like a blackcurrant flavor. There are so many things from boarding school that I still miss. And Tuck is one of them. This packaging only consists of like the lemon and the blackcurrant one. It's so sticky, it's stuck here. Why did I do that? It's too sweet. Moving forward, we have two more products and these are also from Nestle, and this one is the Milky Bar and this one is a crunch version of the Milky Bar. वहाँ पे पता क्या होता था, ये सारे जितने भी chocolates थे वो सारे melt किए जाते थे. We would like favor them if they were melted and I think we had to pay like 5 rupees extra for the melted version. जैसे अगर ये कोना है, this is all melted and you can do the same thing while keeping a chocolate in your pocket, right? We would like cut it from here and हम यहाँ में से ना ऐसे ऐसे खींच के इसको खाते थे. Nestle has always been like my top favorite chocolates, like any chocolate from Nestle. I love it. I don't know what that means. That says LYAP. Okay, PAYL. Nestle chocolates have this thing that they like really like melt into your mouth. As soon as you put them, they're so smooth.
Enough.
This is currently like retailed for 20 rupees. This would be like a 10 rupee chocolate, like a little smaller, maybe like till here, this portion, but a little wider. We also had this chewy version of the Milky Bar and that was something. I really love that one. मेरे को याद है वो एक strawberry flavor में आता था और एक chocolate flavor में आता था. I'm not sure if you still find it. This is the crunchy version. This is a caramel and a nougat bar. This would also retail for 20 rupees. My hands are getting like a little buttery because of the chocolates. That Milky Bar actually like very quickly dissolved into my hands as well as my mouth. Seems like a big bar, too big for one serving. Actually not so bad. This doesn't have like a crunchy part to it, but nice. Caramel taste आ रहा है, ये किसी और चीज़ में भी आता है, but I can't make out right now. If you know what I'm talking about, please comment down below. This is not a 5-star nougat taste. This is something else. This is my cult favorite and it's from Nestle again. These are their two classic chocolates. This would retail I think for 10 rupees if I'm not wrong. Kind of got that. These are for like 10 rupees each, and उस time पे भी मिलती थी, but they have like shortened the width. But that's okay. This is still my favorite chocolate. If anybody like wants to know what my favorite chocolate is, it is this. मेरे को आज रात को sugar rush होने वाला है, but it's okay. Saturday night है, इतना तो बनता है. Somehow I have a broken one. It's the same texture on the inside, so they have like engraved Nestle written on it. If I keep holding it like this for a while, ये कुछ ना कुछ मेरे हाथों में छोड़ेगा. You see the butter? Ooh. इसका कोई competition नहीं है मेरे लिए. Dairy Milk is like another league of chocolates, but Nestle, I don't know why Nestle did us wrong. The tendency that I have to, you know, consume sugar so much is because of Nestle. Everything when I was a kid was from Nestle. Maggie, Nestle, iced tea, Nestle, coffee and everything Nestle, chocolates, Nestle. I can never forget these gummies. Like these gummies are not only in like a burger form, but also a pizza. Look at these. मेरे को ये कहीं पे भी दिखते हैं. I do not forget to like buy them because these are so cute. It's so cute. And I'm not sure कि इसका cost क्या है. अब इसको हम निकालते हैं. What we used to do is we would take out like one by one. This is the bun. And ये हमारे chewy है. chew बात करना पड़ा. But the taste is so good. एक बार शुरू कर दो ना, ये बर्गर आधा नहीं रह सकता. मेरे को कुछ भी हुआ आज रात को. This video is to blame. This video. मैं अभी ये मूवी देख रही थी अजय देवगन की, that is शैतान, and that's actually like a little up in the head. मैंने अभी तक ब्रश नहीं किया, so I feel so good about it.
Wow.
अब मैंने आज ऐसा मेरा sugar consumption नल था. The taste is very much similar, like they both have the same taste. They're just in like different forms. ये मैं अपनी बहन को दूंगी, and जो भी मैंने अभी आधा खोला है, ये सब मैं अपनी बहन को दूंगी.
You know how much I sacrificed?
If my dad wants to have them because he likes chocolates. So मैं इसको waste नहीं कर रही हूँ. I still have like a couple of more things in the bag. We still have like my favorite things are still pending, and I was just not in a mood to eat them some other day. But never mind. मेरे को बहुत sugar rush हो रहा है अभी. मुझे बहुत sugar feeling हो रही है अपने अंदर से. Something's happening, I think. जब आप पानी पीते हो तो आपको कहाँ देखना होता है? I think I deserve an answer to this question if you've like reached to the end part of my video. Anyway, अब हम इसको next time continue करते हैं with the second part to it. That was shameful. I'm sorry. I'm not. आज के लिए इतना ही. I see you next time. मुझे अब ब्रश करने मुझे कुछ हो रहा है. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर हो गया है. And I can't take it. I need to go. Bye. Also, I just finished this movie called Shaitan. You need to watch it. I could literally see my own dad standing there. Thanks, Aju. That is very wholesome. That's a wholesome note to end my day on. Go watch it if you haven't.